Alrighty guys, so working on the Banshee plastics today. Nice sunny day out, probably about 70 degrees. Yep. We sanded them a little bit. We tested our super clean products. You guys will see that on another video where we degreased the grime off of them, and then we're priming them right now. And then they're gonna be painted blue, just like they were, just obviously not sun faded. So we got Sully on paint duty right now. We got some rags underneath, just kind of keeping it off the concrete. So we're gonna do 2 coats of primer on each side and then paint over the top of that. And we'll see what it looks like when that is finished. We actually ripped the Banshee again today. We'll get a little bit of riding footage later. Been running really good, lots of power, started 1 kick. So very impressive. Other than that, right now, obviously it's just white primer.
Flat white primer.
And then we're gonna do blue.
Was it gloss patriotic blue?
And then we're gonna do clear coat on top of the blue.
Yeah, we have gloss clear coat enamel for top.
So that's what we're gonna be doing. I had it running earlier, pretty warm. We got that exhaust leak yet, we're gonna get that brazed. Sucks the fucking front suspension up, you can just see it. I still gotta turn the idle out, guys, too. Snappy though, boys. Gotta make sure my air filters are on. Powerband, it feels like with that pipe cracked, it doesn't heat up the pipe. make sure you comment. We want to race this thing. I misshifted, boys. I misshifted. My bad. Don't get on too hard, you know, it's a shame. That thing's nasty. Let him ride it.